check here. Got your isolator, got your AdBlue, your radiator, that seems to be okay. Then you've got your driver motor, drive sprocket underneath there. I've got my top rollers here, just them covered in shit. Bottom rollers, track pads, seems to be all good. I did miss this one. Can't get open that because of that door. The windshield wipers and the air filter. And come here, front idler, track pads. Now I'm going to look at the cab. Seems to be all good. I'm going to come here. I'm going to check the check valve. Seems to be okay. Hydraulic pipes. Coming up here. You've got your rams. Now I'm going to come over, check the check valve at the top. Top pin is secure in place. I'm going to come down. My ram guard is right there. Then I'm going to come down to the sprocket, which is okay. Finger lever. It's okay. And then I'm going to come on this side, check if everything's okay. Ram guard, hydraulic ram seems to be okay. Quick itch, the bucket, no damage. Seems to be okay. Come down. Check this one. Right, got the main valve, which is there. Got all your pilot valves and pipes. They seem to be all in check. Close that up. Okay. I'm going to come down here, front idler, track pads, track. I'm going to look at the front driver motor, drive sprocket, that's all good. Come here, I've got my hydraulic filter, my water separator, my hydraulic filter. I've got my oil filter down there somewhere. That'll be okay. Then I'm going to come to the back. I've got my counterweight, my camera. I'm going to check down here. I've got the driver motors, track frame, slew ring. And I'm going to come back round. How you doing?